Hello everyone, I am Bea Tabernero from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, and I am a full-time employee ng isang pest control company. For tonight, I'll be sharing a review sa isang product which I found very effective. I used to have a problem sa sleep ko. Ang tagal kong makatulog. And minsan, nagigising ako during midnight, ang tagal ko nang makatulog ulit. So ang result, pagod, antok, at minsan wala pa sa mood kinabukasan. When I found this product months ago, nag-order ako. Because for me, health is the real wealth. And I'm not getting younger anymore. Kaya I give importance na sa health ko. Why I am telling this? I wanted to share this product sa mga employees like me who are experiencing the same problem. Na may sleep problem, may anxiety and stress problem. And those employees na nasa night shift, especially yung mga call center agents. If may mga problema kayong ganito, do not wait na maging worse. Ika nga, prevention is better than cure. Kaya I am introducing Keep Calm. This is a natural health supplement product, an FDA-approved product of Nirvana. It supports sleep and stress, it manages your mood, and it boosts your brain function. So sa gusto mag-order, I'll be putting the link kung saan doon din ako nag-order sa comment section ko. I hope may nakuha kayong value sa video kong ito ngayon. So thank you very much.